Okay, so this is a test. Okay, so this is a test and comparison for two Rode microphones. Two Rode Lavalier microphones. One is Rode Smart Lav Plus, and the other one is Rode Lavalier Go Microphone, especially designed to work with wireless Go, Rode Wireless Go system. So, without further ado, this is a test for Rode Lavalier Go Microphone. You can hear a TV in the background because I know that the Rode Lavalier Go Microphone pick up lots of ambient noise. So I want to test that. So here we go. This is a test for Rode Lavalier Go Microphone. This is a test. 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3. Rode Lavalier Go Microphone. This is a test for Rode Lavalier Go Microphone. 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3. Now again, this is a Rode Lavalier Go microphone, but without any noise in the background as before. So again, this is Rode Lavalier Go microphone. 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3. And again, this is another Rode mic. This is Rode Smart Lav Plus lavalier microphone. So again, this time there is no noise in the background. The TV is off. So again, this is a test for Rode Smart Lav Plus lavalier microphone. 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3. And now we're gonna turn the TV on. Okay, so this is a test for Rode Smart Lav Plus lavalier microphone. This is a test for Rode Smart Lav Plus lavalier microphone with the TV in the background, so I don't know if you can hear it or not. Again, this is a Rode Smart Lav Plus lavalier microphone. 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3.